800 meters under 14. We have Samten from Kumduni Homes. Four round. Lama. First round भयो 4 round. 400 हो. First SMI, second SS, third St. George. कति राउन्ड गरे? 4 हो. छोडिसक्यो त अन्त त्यो त.
The participants of race in the first category boys. They are Ayush Rai from Malaysia, Tenisi Bhotia from Sambola Technical School, Sopran Thapa from University School,
First St. George, second SS, third ACMI, both CST, 5th position we have Kumduni Homes. अब चाप भाइ हुँदैन है First we have St. George, second SS. सक्दैन त्यसले.